Hey, welcome back. This is Mrs. Rios. Thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to be looking at the science behind fingerprints. The first thing that you're going to need to do is get some Play-Doh and take a look at your fingerprints. Another way to look at your fingerprints is to get an ink pad. You're going to notice that your fingerprints have different shapes. They have either an arch shape, whorls, or loops. To make this more fun, what you could do is look for fingerprints around your home. All you need is powdered sugar and a brush. After you carefully add the powdered sugar on top of fingerprints that you find, you will need tape to try to pick up the shape of the fingerprint. Did you know that whenever there is a crime and it needs to be solved, investigators will often decide what they need to look for, and one of the things are fingerprints. Everyone's fingerprints are different. No two people have exactly the same pattern. There are two main types of fingerprints that detectives find: direct fingerprints and Latin fingerprints. Direct fingerprints, these are left behind when people touch a sticky surface, such as wet paint, or touch a surface with sticky fingers. The Latin fingerprints, these are left behind on every surface that we touch, but they're usually invisible to our eyes. Investigators use special techniques and equipment to locate them. Latin prints are the result of natural oils in the human skin. Whenever we touch something, these oils act like an invisible ink and leave behind a faint fingerprint pattern. Investigators often have to collect sets of fingerprints so that they can rule out certain suspects. I would like to challenge you today to try and look at your fingerprints and see if you could find some around your house. Maybe you could be the next forensic scientist that will be investigating fingerprints.